In this tutorial, I'll be taking through the process of creating a Gmail account. So we're going to use an Android phone. Let me just open up my phone, and then down here, go tap on this, open settings on your phone, go to your settings, tap on it, and then scroll down to accounts. So this accounts, tap on it, and then down here click on the add account, and I'm going to choose Google. So select the second option, click Google, and so it's checking the information, and then here you need to provide your security pattern so that you can verify that it's you. So just input your pattern, and right here we're not going to log in, so we're creating a new account. So just click on create account, and we have two options, for personal use or for business. For this case, I'm going for personal use. Just click on personal use, so here you need to provide a first name. Let me just provide my first name right there. The second name is optional, but it's also good to just include it there. Click next. You need to provide date of birth, and then also select gender and click next. So here you need to choose username. Username, basically that's an email account that we'll be using. So I'll provide that. So long as it's not taken, we'll have no problem with that. But if it's taken, then you need to either choose another one, or Google will just provide or suggest one or two for you to choose that are not taken. Let me add there 850, and then click next. So you need to provide here your password that we'll be using. Let me just not show my password right there. Then next, you need to confirm the password again. Now here, so review your account info. So click next, and then scroll down, and after going through all this, you need to either agree or not agree, but basically you're creating an account, so you need to agree to that. And so right there we have my account. So I can log in using I can log in on this account now. Let me just minimize that and go to my PC, and right above here I'll select a new profile and select add Chrome profile. So I'll sign in with using a new then I click next, and I'll type the password. So here you need to customize your profile. I'll just say done, and let me say so here I need to add, I'll click on this profile picture, just say this one here, and then I need to add a recovery. Let me just click on that so that I can add also a phone number. And so here I'll type my phone number. That's and click next. So this is my recovery number, and also I'll add a recovery email account. Let me just add a recovery email account right there. Then save. So I'll need to log into this account so that I can verify this. Let me go to that other account so that I can verify that. And it seems, let me use my phone, let me show you. So if I swipe down, you can see there is account recovery activity. I can just tap on this right here and see what we have there. So I'll select yes, it was me, and click done. Now if let's try and see on this other account, we can see now we are safe. We can now we have a new Google account. The reason why I used this method is because using Google Chrome on your PC, definitely you're going to encounter things like QR code scanner, which sometimes it becomes quite hectic. So that's all for this tutorial.